Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog. Our very special, and guys, it's early morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And today, it's so sad, guys. One of my friend, actually, it's my neighbor. He lost his grandpa, and I don't have those too much energy to shoot the videos, but it's by God's grace. I thank God I'm still alive a day like this, and it's happened. It's already happened. But you try to imagine, guys. I'm shooting this video on Saturday, and we never expect this to happen around my neighbor. But probably I'm going there to pass my condolence. And brother Dagi, he lost his grandpa on yesterday evening, so probably we're heading there. Imagine from my home up to brother Dagi, it's a walking distance. You can walk like, let me say, 20 minutes or 30 minutes walking slowly, you'll be there. But wow, let's go and try. So I'm just loitering around here. So after this video I'm heading there, so we'll see how the days go. So guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Like on my yesterday, it's a nice videos. I'm trying to advise one of upcoming YouTuber to do such kind of the videos. You know, I'm a good advisor, and guys, you can go to her channel and to try to advise her, like, make this kind of videos. You know, me, I'm the guy who have a free heart. Although I know for the haters, they will try to maybe complicated issues. Me, I'm just flow with the vibe. So I'm trying to help her in future. They can put something on table. They can help their family. You know, guys, that's the best way we can promote each other. The way I have been mentored by David Jr. Big shout out to David Jr. Wherever you are, if you're watching this video, thank you so much for putting me on this platform. And the way it is, you have been told me, and at the same time, I take your concept and your advice seriously. I'm trying to advise one of upcoming YouTuber. She's a lady, she's a small lady by the name Felicitas. You can go and check her out, subscribe. Every on my videos, she has been there chatting with you, subscribe to her, and then I tag her link on my premiere. You can click there and subscribe, guys. And I see some improvement for her channel. And I told her the moment you made some videos, like 2-3 videos, just came for the shout out. And on my yesterday, he came for the shout out, you know. Wow. So I don't want to talk too much of that videos. On today's videos, it's a sad videos, you know, a sad video. I'm telling you, even my heart is melt, man, with a lot of sadness. You can't see men's tears, but we keep stand strong. It's painful when we lost one of our elder in our village. I'm telling you guys, the way it is. You know those elder people, he or she, they are advise us, you know, long time ago, we're supposed to be this, we're supposed to be that way in back years, and you, my grandchildren, supposed to be this and this, you know, as we keep moving on. Try to imagine. It's so painful when someone lose the beloved one. I'm telling you. So, oh my God. But let me keep try to make this video. And for my premiere again, it's a kind of a different videos. It's not a normal videos that have been said earlier. So let's go and see how the family have been going on. Wow. So I'm just within on this beautiful forest here, all our land, and there have been this land, it's under sale. If one wish come to Africa and have a land, a piece of land like this, it's 1 hectare, you know, 1 full hectare you wanna have. They wanna sell you with plus these trees, you know. So you can comment on the comment section if you need the land. We're just over here, you know. We need the income generation to be around on this village. So my mother told me go and check the cow. So I'm supposed to go there this way to check the cow. Oh my God. Wow. let me go and check our cows right here as I keep going that way, you know. So it's not a normal day, but for Adventists, I wish you happy Saturday. And if you came from the church in the evening, whichever the case, if you find this video in morning season, watch. It's a kind of sadness videos. So we have our beautiful cow here. It's grazing, man. Wow. Oh my God. It's grazing, man. It's grazing. It's grazing. Wow. Stop it. Wow, I love this baby calf right here. It's growing so quick. Well guys, I'm showing you how our cows looks like, how many cows that we have, and it's my mom's cow. Imagine my mama bought one of the cow and then it's give birth to this cow. You see that one here, another one there. Maybe you have another one on the bush here. Wow. So as I keep moving on, when you go straight, you're going to Nyabohanse. And on that forest there, we have a tall building, a nice one house. On that forest that you see there. When I was new on YouTube, I was making a video inside there as a handman. Wow, we have one here. Right there, chilling, basking the sun. It's so hot, man, here. Wow, say hello. Say hello. Our cow are not aggressive, man. You can touch. See guys, you wanna touch our cow, are not aggressive. You know, they are friendly. Oh, they are friendly. You good? What's up? They're relaxing because it's so hot over here. Wow. So now that's the second calf that I show you. Imagine my mama bought this one at a small calf that I show you right there on the same size. This one that you see here, and it give first calf, second and third. Imagine. I think it was on 2019 there. 2019, 2020, almost there. Say hello. I'm telling you guys, you can touch our cow. Look, they're not aggressive. They're friendly. Yeah. So we have another one right here, which my mama normally milk every day. You know, you can milk a cow after maybe 6 to 8 to 9 months. I think 6 months to 8 there. Wow. Say hello. Wow, we have a beautiful cow. Yeah, but this one are very attentive. Wow. So guys, anyway, as you watch this vlog, remember to subscribe, check Brother Agi out, I appreciate, and also check David Junior's YouTube channel. I appreciate, guys. Me, I'm the guy who, maybe in case you meet my videos, I give shout outs good people of mine who closer to me, especially David Junior. Big shout out to you. You know guys, the way I am today, I'm telling you my history. It's David Junior tried to mentor me from scratch. Imagine I was struggling here outside here. My family struggling with at a lower life. Maybe I wanna say on that. But when God says yes, nobody can say no, you know. God changed my life step by step. Me, I can't complain. And I want to say thank you so much for my good subscriber who are watching me. Thank you so much for my silent subscriber. And the crazy thing is, I have people watching my videos, like, comment, and they haven't subscribed. Thank you so much. I have people who are watching my videos and subscribe. Thank you so much. And for my silent subscriber, thank you so much wherever you are. May God bless you. Without you, I couldn't manage to go far. And on tomorrow's videos, I will make with my mama because there's some conflicts or some chaos going through my village here, and which is a kind of bad behavior I don't like pass through my family, you know. So by tomorrow's video, you will see, guys, I'm so tired, but I don't want to mention. So on tomorrow's video, I will analyze for you guys, and on that part, when you're supporting there, I will let you to know what is going on. So anyway, I'm heading this way, and the time is running, man. Time it's running. The time it's running. Time it's running. Time it's running. Wow. Time is running, man, like crazy. Time's running like crazy. Like crazy. Imagine our home is there, and I'll go straight. First of all, I'm going to meet with my mom on my videos today. So let's go and see. She gave me this the story in the morning, so probably we're heading this way. Wow. Wow, we have another calf, the last one grazing here. Wow. Nigani chumolengi? Huh? Wow. Let's go and meet my mama. Let's go and meet my mama and see what's going on. Imagine here. It's where I'm going to build my mom's 3-bedroom house. Look how our house, it's cracking, man. There's a big crack. Look at another one here. Hey, come on, then you say hello. Nenda.
How are you?
Where? Say hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Mata Nyaboni.
Mata Nyaboni?
Yes.
You good?
I'm fine.
Yeah, you wear kitenge clothes. Hey, my sister. Okay, you go. That's our last born sister for my family, and which, of course, I'm so grateful to be have my sister. Only one sister. I love her too much. Of course, I love all my family, but you know, when you have the last one, you know they behave. Hey, mama, say hello.
Hello.
Habari gani?
Mzuri.
Hey. Habari gani means how are you? Saying okay. Yeah, you washing free.
Eh.
Okay. Mmeniambia kuna matanga hapa.
Eh.
Guys, imagine I was sleeping, and then when I wake up, my mama told me, you know what? You have the funeral here. I asked mama, where? At Brother Dagi. I said, oh my God, what a bad day. What a bad day. But all in well, everything's okay. So mama, how do you feel? Unajisikiaje? You have water here, you fetch, you wash your clothes. Unajisikiaje?
Vizuri.
Vizuri sana.
Eh.
Yeah, guys, me, I love my African mom. Imagine, she was working so hard in the farm, and I went to the river over 20 years carrying this stuff on the head. Hata kichao kimekuwa kigumu. Over 20 years carrying this. Mama, sorry. Now, kichao kitaenda kuwa soft. You have already have water here. Guys, I'm telling you the way it is. Imagine over 20 years, my mama fetch water from the river. There's a day I made a videos. That's my aunt. There is a day my mama fetch water from the river. I'm so confused. There's a day I made a video showing you my mama fetch water from the river. And you know, I was young and everything. Up to when I get grown up at this moment, my mama still go to the river. But unfortunately, one of my subscriber made it possible. She bought my mama a tank. We already have the tank inside. But right now, try to imagine at this moment, it's summer season. Wherever you are, mom, big shout out to you. May God bless you. And mom, we have one of our friends known as Eve. Eve. She's a Jamaican. Do you love Jamaica?
Hey.
Mama, unapenda Jamaica?
Eh.
Yeah, I'm asking mama, do you love Jamaican people?
Yes.
And there's one of our Jamaica by the name Eve. Amesema hello. Na utasemaje?
Hello.
Yes. Mom, Eve, wherever you are, right here, that's my mama. Oh, I see my brother coming with the bus. Kuja. Hey. This is a kind of a situation. Say hello.
Hello.
You good? November Fall Classic. It's a marathon. 4 miles. Hey, people are running here. Okay, introduce yourself, bro. Maybe somebody sitting there watching my video, and then he or she doesn't know you.
So my name is Samuel Muita. Yeah, I am brother to Hello Baby. Actually, I'm the third born. Yeah.
Imagine, guys, the crazy thing about our family, we are not like on the same height. You know, you're supposed to have maybe taller, medium, smaller. Where do you came from?
I came from church.
You came from church?
Yeah.
Today is not a normal day. Maybe like a Sunday.
Today is on a Saturday. You wanna go there to do some cleanliness to prepare for the Sunday mass.
Yes, Sunday mass, and it's good to serve the church. You know, it's good to serve the Lord. You know, through God that you believe on it, you get a bicycle.
Yeah.
You know, like for me, I doesn't have those power to say, okay, today I'm going to buy for my brother's bicycle. No, man. Me, I'm just struggling even me outside here. But big shout to mom, wherever you are. Thank you so much. I will never mention your name. Look, it's helped my brother went to church to make cleanness inside there, which is a good thing. And you are a Roma or Adventist?
Roma.
Yeah. And you, mom? When
Roma.
You are a Roma.
Eh.
Guys, I'm telling you, even I personally am a Roma, but let me tell you one thing, guys. Because of time here and there, my parents went to church, or my family, you know, as my family went to church, all of them, I went through outside there struggling. At the end of the day, I brought for them something to eat, you know. Like, try to imagine, I'm one master to serve my family, but it's by God's grace. So turn to the point, mom. There's one of our mom like you in Jamaica. Send love to you. Say hello to my mom.
Hello to my mom.
No, mama. I say like kuna rafiki mmoja mama Mjamaika amesema ni amekusalimia.
Na mimi nimemsalimia.
And you greet her.
Yeah.
Yes. Wow, guys, thank you so much. I have a lot of fun from Jamaica, and out of my family of Jamaica working US, working UK, you know, working in New York City, or working in California, you know, Colombia. I have big fans, especially Jamaican, and also I have people from US, also UK. Let me say, mama, general, I have people from outside of the world watching my videos and share my love, you know. So right now we want to cook. Okay, there's somebody cutting trees here. I supposed to cut all down trees. To cut all down. Hii miti inafaa kukatwa kwa sababu nataka kutengeneza sehemu ikuwe paradise. Pande maua, nyasi vizuri. Itakuja kuwa compound hapa. Maybe in the future nitaweka nyumba yangu pale. Na wewe utakuwa na kwako hapa. Guys, I'm telling my mama, this place, we're supposed to cut all down trees because it's not good near the toilet, near the house. I realized there's a day I was digging the hole for placing the tank. I found roots deeply. So I realized I'm supposed to cut them trees down. Oh, blessing, man. And then I plant grass there, flowers, to create, mama, our yard to be good. Do you know the yard? That cock. Just a minute. Can you mind that? Once more. Let's go. They're so tired. So I have my baby here, which is taking me around. So, okay, mama, tutuma kinu kukaranda.
Mamba kanyera kayo mugaya kibure karonte byano karache kayihome kayukurusya.
Yano mwa tagachwe mirumba hana konkuri kutokore gasuligione. Maichi barari mchanga na bakotumira.
Kayukurusya no karayumira kikara.
Wow, guys. Hey, that's my African mom. Mama, I heard my dog making noise. What's the problem? Oh, I realize my dog doesn't like hands. Go away! Stop it! Muita! Tacho cabrantado. Tacho vigor. My dog needs to go outside. Yeah, you know, sometime when I'm around, I will leave my dog to go outside. Open for my dog, for Bruno went outside. I think in the evening I will take them on nature walk. Go outside, go! Go, go! Shh! I got them. I said that I'm a man. They're drinking water, so crazy. Anyway, you drink. You drink. That's my dog right there. Is this the man that I was? Let's see what my mama was cooking in the kitchen. Wow. Let's see. I didn't expect a day like this could have the funeral around my neighbor's home, but it's by God's grace. Imagine, guys, we're talking the tank. Right now we have the tank, and when we have, look, this is the staircase, like metallic, and then we place the tank on top, and then another one we place on the ground. This is the motor right here. This I think is a motor to generate water. Right there, that's an image. So to pump water, going to the tank. Right now we have the borehole. When I get power, I'll do it. Like electricity off-grid solar panel. Right now you don't have solar panel, man. You stay in a dark. Oh. Hey, that's the remaining of ugali. And then we want to cook ugali. The crazy thing is, my mama cook ugali here and have the chicken laying eggs here. Look. It's crazy. It's crazy. But mama, acha nienda kwa kina brother Dagi. Yes, I'm going naenda kutoa rambi zangu pale. Yeah, like rambi it's condolence. I'm going there to pass my condolence. I'm telling you. Wow, guys, let's go. Nyamushishtuke. Wow. Let's go. Wow. Let's go. Imagine, guys, I went on the other side to buy a tree like this. It's so big, man. Look, so big to burn for my bricks. But I will let by tomorrow's videos, you know the story. That's my cousin. Say hello.
Hello.
Maybe somebody watching my video, he or she, they want to know you. What's your name?
My name is Mercy.
Mercy. Yeah. Mercy who?
Mercy Boke.
Okay, Mercy Boke. I'm telling you, in our village here, like in I'm a Korean, so you must have like surname and maybe English name, like I'm Emmanuel. Muita. Muita means calling somebody. Muita! You know? Like another brother is Benson Mikwabe. Mikwabe means Masai. You know? So let me go there. And also to inform my grandma what's going to Brother Dagi. Look, new transformation at my home. I feel so good, man. I feel so good. We try to chase away poverty, you know. And I'm so sorry, guys. Most of the haters think about because we are living in poverty way, people try to trap me with 30 Canadian dollar, which is a less money. Even I can't afford to buy my shirt and trouser. But I shut them down, you know. Wherever you watch these videos, you see by yourself. I'm not the guy who tried to blab me with small money. Stop it. That's my great grandma. Koko. Osora mai mto nyamburi aku. Oh, eyo. Hata honku ya. That's my dog. Stop it. Kneel down here. It's okay, Abonchiranga. Ah! Yeah, Bonchirere. Can you hear? Guys, I'm telling my grandma I'm heading to Brother Dagi's because he lost his grandfather. And his grandfather, he was friend to my grandmother, my great grandmother. Imagine, guys. So it's good way to came here and told my grandma what's going on. So Tiani, shh, let's go. Walk. Tiani. Eh. Yeah. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm so tired. After a few minutes, you'll see me there at Brother Dagi's home. But probably let me take you other side to see what's going on. Wow. Before I went to Brother Dagi, in case you're watching my video for the first time, man, let me tell you, I was buying materials here. Me, the good thing, I show you every day. If you bothered, if maybe you're tired to watch this part, it's your own opinion. But I'm showing people who are new on my videos. They will know what Helbaby is doing. You know, I'm hustling, guys. Imagine 6 months to buy these stones here. But when it's around on the ground, some people think that I bought at once, or like for my neighbor who are passing here, think that I bought at once. Man, I'm telling you, it's taken me a long time to buy this. And one tipper goes to $60. Imagine, $60. And there's, for the haters, try to trap me with that Canadian, which I can't even afford to buy one tipper for the stones. You know, like to stay away from David Jr. I will never do such kind of stupid. Me, I'm not the guy who like do things quick and fast, you know. I have my thinking capacity, it's very high, and I have my sharp mind, you know. How am I going to like to blame or to stay away from David Jr.? I will never. And try to remember, guys, it's the part of my family, you know. It's my family member. How am I going to do, you know? Man, let's go. Let's go. Hey. Wow. Go home. You have avocado? So napenda kula kwa miji, umesikia? So naenda kucheza kumesikia? Wow, that's my sister. Well, guys, we're heading this way, and technically people are planting this right now. When they plant, and I suspect when it's raining end time, it's gonna maybe the maize mature. We have sweet potatoes vein. Imagine, guys, me, I'm so confused and I'm so wonder. Imagine, people think because of my poverty, they can try to blab me with that Canadian dollar. Even could be $1 million Canadian dollar. I can't do such kind of things. I'm telling you, money can't buy love. At this moment, money can't buy love. But it is what it is. Let's go. I'm just maneuver around the village like walking. I remember there is a day for my first time to see walkie-talkie. Walkie-talkie. Wow, we're heading straight. See what's going on. Whew. I'm so tired. It's because I lose hope. That being said, we lost one of our beloved, our neighbor here, Grandpa. So I lose hope. I'm in moodless, you know, but I'm trying to be strong to create these videos for you, and I'm repeating this for several times. Today, a day like this, it's on Saturday. It's not a normal day like other day that I shoot the videos, you know. So let's see how things go. Wow, we have another beautiful forest right here. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. You will see me on the road heading to Brother Dagi, so stay tuned. Well guys, so it's time to go at Brother Dagi. So this is my bike right now here. No, this start is not working. I left home right now. Wow guys, I left home right now. So we have the like a bad place. Let's go. Let's go with our motorbike. So we're heading this way. Wow guys, I left home in good way. You know, that's my grandma home. That's my dad's home, of which soon I'm going to change it, you know. Let's go. Yeah guys, sorry, when I'm going far away from my village I wear the helmet, but when I'm maneuver around here, wow, it's the other side. Keep moving on. I know for the most of the people don't like camera here. Sometimes I do like this. Sometimes I do like this. Wow. We're going straight. Guys, I'm on motorbike. But I'm laughing at the same time, guys. It's sad. Sad day. Heading this way, guys. I'm going to pass my condolence to Brother Dagi's family. At the same time, they're part of my neighbor, so I need to go long distance, like long road, and we have the shortcut going to Brother Dagi, but because of time here and there, we doesn't have like a motorbike. It passed some stones in a bad struggle. Let's go. Wow. Wow, we have the corner shop right now here. Our banana. Wow. It's an amazing day. Wow. We keep moving, you know. I know guys, 100% you love me, but I'm sorry today when I'm maneuver around here with my motorbike. I didn't wear the helmet because I'm riding slow. Oh my God. So let me be here, and after a few minutes you will see me there. So actually the local school that we have here, we covering with mabati. So man, it's so sad when you lose one of our elderly people around our village. So I'm heading there. Even right now to ride my bike, it's so heavy. Alright, man, on today's videos, it's a kind of a sad videos. So actually I'm heading to Brother Dagi, and I heard on my yesterday he lost his grandfather. So actually from Brother Dagi's home to my home, it's some let me say walking by 30 minutes to be my home. So man, I'm shedding my tears, but man, you can't see tears, you know. So I'm so sorry. So actually I'm heading this way. So let's go and see. And I drive my bike, but I'm not strong enough, man. So let's go this way. Wow, this is the part of our neighbors over here. And then I'm heading that way. Wow, that's the motorbike, you know. So I must stand strong, and we are 3 people. Hello baby, David Jr. and Brother Dagi. So right now David Jr. is not around, but he'll come at its own time. So because Brother Dagi was my neighbor, we need to share with you this story, guys. It's a sad story, sad moment. Man, to lose your grandpa, it's not easy. But when God take his grandfather, may his soul rest in peace. Wow. So I'm heading this way, and I parked my motorbike inside. Brother was not around, but unfortunately I made a call with him. So guys, welcome to Brother Dagi's home, and then I'll take where funeral take place to other side, because somehow the family are extended, you know. Maybe his grandpa has so many wives. In quote, you'll know later, guys. Welcome. Wow. Hey bro.
Hey guys.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good, guys. Welcome on today's video. Guys, this video, it's emotional video.
Yeah, and it's so sad.
It's so sad right now here in the village. There is a video I did by the time I went to check my grandfather in the hospital. I was me, David Jr. and Vidi Jonah. So guys, I know if you are following on my channel, you have already watched that video.
People follows, bro.
Yes. On the same time, guys, my grandfather passed on yesterday. So right now we are having funeral at our home here. And guys, my grandfather, he was having 3 wives. So my family, it's so big. And right now in the village, the way we are talking, we just started today to organize everything, how this funeral will be going. So we will be able to update you how we have planned the things, because we have not yet even choose the committee that it's gonna be able to arrange how everything will be able to go. So thank you for visiting me, brother. And also guys, here in the village, maybe we're gonna be able to take you around,
so we can go this way around.
Yes.
And then it's so sad. Maybe somebody watching these videos, you heard you tell people that your grandfather has 3 wives.
Yes.
Maybe your grandma.
Yes.
You can find maybe it's your 2nd wife or 3rd wife to your grandpa.
Yeah. So like my family is the 2nd wife.
Okay, your grandpa wife, it was the 2nd wife.
Yes.
Okay, and where there is a funeral, it's a 3rd wife. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So today's like the way I was told you on my videos, like this borehole, it's serving entire the village. So we decided today to open here another gate so that people can pass. We can show them, guys.
Yeah, so okay
that,
guys, let me show you the entrance. And today guys, it's not a normal videos as many people as I can. These are condolence videos, and it's so sad. Me, I'm just pass condolence to Brother Dagi's family, and I keep praying Brother Dagi to be strong and stand strong, man. We need your prayers, guys, you know. At the same time, on the funeral, it has so many challenges. If you want to support, man, maybe somebody have the tea, but free from your heart, guys, you know. And let's see how the day goes, you know. Don't worry, some YouTubers will become and contribute maybe small man that each and everyone have. Maybe if I have $1, I can contribute. People can have maybe tea, can have maybe, you know.
Yeah.
So maybe sometime we can contribute as a YouTuber, you know.
Yes.
This platform, it's all about family,
Yeah.
you know, and we live as one brother and sister,
Yes.
sharing ideas here and there. So today you made our videos, but around maybe noon time, just post our videos. All YouTuber can know. Maybe they can add you in group,
Yes.
you know. So like there's a day Ayamaro manager pass away.
Yes.
We contribute,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah. Guys, we open here the gate.
Yes,
so
right
that
here.
people can be able to pass. Yeah.
You see guys, right here, this is a small gate going to other side. But right now, let's take you around.
Yeah. So guys, this is my home. So at my mom's home, that is the second wife belongs to me.
Yes.
You know?
At your grandpa.
Yes.
You know guys, according to our culture, when you are mature enough, like Brother Agi, you must migrate from your parents' home to have your own space. Like Brother Agi here, it's Brother Agi's home, you know. Wow.
So guys, my grandfather, he was sick. So he was having blood cancer.
Oh,
And
blood
then-
cancer.
Yes.
No.
Then my grandfather, we tried guys, we tried a
You
lot.
tried your own best, but God tried more.
God try more.
Yeah.
So like I was constructing her toilet,
Right there, guys.
but not yet finished. So because we are having 3 homes,
oh, guys, just pass here like that way.
maybe because there is a lot of it, so we will be able to come. We're gonna go and buy a polythene paper, black one, and to renovate that toilet there.
For your mother.
Yes, so that someone who is coming, he can be able to use.
Like for example, if your mother have some friends
Yes.
came to pass the coronavirus to your family,
Yes.
they can use that toilet.
Yes.
If one goes to your
Uncle.
uncle's where your grandpa staying there, they can use that toilet. When maybe somebody come to your toilet
Yes.
at your home here, they can use your toilet
Yeah.
like that way.
So the money that we was having, we went and we buy that black one.
Okay, today.
Yes, I'm going to show you. The
Oh.
work is just going on because
I have the motorbike. Don't worry.
Okay.
You will take you there.
Okay, so that's how things goes. We have started arranging things. Yeah, but guys, pray for us, because we are passing through a road line now. And
I know most of the haters,
Yes.
they will start giving you bad names, but don't care. Stay positive, stay strong. Everything shall be well.
guys, this is my mom's home,
Right here,
but this home belongs to second wife.
for your grandpa.
Yes, but my grandpa he's already died long time ago. Like it's 2004 he died. My grandmother. So
But the spirit remain.
my grandfather, 2 of them, they have died. So we have remained with
Third wife,
that third
grandpa.
wife. That is my grandmother. Yeah, we are going to show you guys.
Okay, guys, come along with these videos. It's a sad videos, not a normal videos as you can every day. But I know for the haters, they will try to trap and maybe treat us wrong. But all in well, when God say yes, nobody can say no.
Yeah, so
Welcome
this
to
is-
Brothers Dagi's
so
home,
this is the
parent.
home. Belongs to my mom, although it belongs also to the third wife.
Second wife for your
Yeah,
grandpa.
for my grand.
I'm telling you.
Yes.
Wow.
So this is how things goes. You know.
So this is your mom's kitchen,
Yeah, this is
right
my
here.
mom's kitchen right now here,
Okay,
and this is my mom's home,
yeah.
my mom's house, and this one.
Oh my God, there's some
And-
small insect.
Yes, and this one, the house that, if we're gonna be able to get money, I can be able to finish my mom's dream house. Yeah,
Right here.
right here.
We have the
Yeah.
firewood
This
here.
is the firewood, guys.
Okay, you can take me to the
Yeah.
kitchen. Maybe when your mom has friends right now, they can able to cook inside. So
Yes.
right now, your mom doesn't have strong energy to cook.
Yes. So this is the kitchen that my mom's cooks here. I know, guys, my videos you are watching this.
Guys, I'm taking this container
Yeah.
as a support. So this is where mama cook.
Yes, this is the place where my mom's.
Oh, we have the small pot right here.
Yeah. This is the condition of the iron sheet. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, it's the same at my home, bro.
Yes.
But on this platform,
Yeah.
just stay strong, positive. One day you build your mama an expensive kitchen.
Yes.
You know.
God willing, guys. We
Yeah.
trust in God because...
So, might I close this door or I left?
yeah.
Okay. Guys, it's good to ask, and I need to close it here.
Like
Boom.
that way. Boom.
Yes. Wow. We made these videos, but with a lot of sad, but we stay positive and strong. You know, even right now, guys, I'm not contented to make such kind of videos.
We need to renovate this one so
Okay.
that people can be able to use it. Yeah, this one to be able to renovate and then to be used.
So right now, this is the toilet that we're going to renovate.
Yeah, to renovate.
Oh my God, it's a kind of a situation. One after this one, kuna karatasi.
Hey,
Alafu hapo pige misumari na magunia ufunike.
hey.
Okay.
Takata miti hata miafukado. So that's how things moving on, guys. You know.
Guys, this is the kind of situation of the toilet that we have here. And for meanwhile, maybe in the future, he wanna build her mama a nice toilet. I'm telling you guys. These avocado trees right here.
So this is my mom, guys.
Oh, don't answer the camera overhand.
So this is my mom.
Me, I'm stranded.
I'm
So sad because my father.
Your father-in-law passed away.
Ameniacha.
Okay.
So I'm crying here.
Aye.
That's why I wanted to be lonely now.
Okay.
Guys,
Okay, mom. Sorry for that.
guys, this is my mom. You have watched him on my videos, even Hero Baby videos. Yeah, he's my mom. This is my mom, guys, for sure.
Your
Yeah.
biological mother. Okay. Hi, mama. I don't get a story for her. Hi. So let's go.
Yeah, so maybe we're gonna take them to the third wife.
Oh, I find avocado here,
Yes.
but it's a kind of spoiled avocado. Wow. So these scales.
Yeah, just
Wow.
around here in the village.
Wow. I'm telling you guys, farming is our backbone. We have caves right now here. We have banana trees. And another way in Uganda, they call matoke.
It's okay.
And I realized matoke
Yes.
is the banana we have already cooked.
Yeah, yeah.
Banana is not cooked, well cooked.
Okay.
So matoke come from Uganda,
Yes.
the banana which have already cooked.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, you can go and Google
Yeah.
today matoke.
Yeah.
They can show you is the banana which have been cooked. But in Uganda, banana they're known as matoke.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
like a cultural.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah, guys, that's how things go.
Where are you heading to, Brother? Maybe somebody watch these videos
guys.
and they will
Yeah,
ask,
yeah.
hello, baby and Brother, where are you heading to right now?
So right now, we need to show you the condition of the status, how my family is big, and how my grandfather, he was having 3 wives. And when we are talking about 3 wives, we have to show you the condition of the homes of these wives.
So we came from the second wife,
Yes. So we
And
went
then
to the first
first
one,
wife.
and then we finished the third one.
third one,
Yes.
which is down there.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Guys, please at the same time check Brother Dagi on YouTube channel. He has amazing videos, but on today's videos, it's a kind of a totally different videos that we made when you maybe differ than others videos, you know. So right now, let's share with you. Tomorrow's Brother Dagi. Maybe today's Brother Dagi, tomorrow is me. We never know. It's by God's grace, bro. Wow. But I'm throw that kind of energy away, too far away. Wow, we have pumpkin leaves here. These are kind of the veggies that we have. I'm telling you, we eat fruits, at the same time eat leaves. So anyway, guys.
This is the home of the first wife here, guys.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, Nsoto.
Hey.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Welcome to
First wife.
First
home.
Wife
Yeah.
Home.
Here.
Nsoto.
Yes.
Kwa hivyo
But-
Oroto na baba yako nani mkubwa?
Sasa si ni baba. Ina depend. Yeye ni mdogo.
Sasa yule alichelewa kuzaa.
Sasa si inafuatana. Na uzao.
Huyu ndio mke mkubwa lakini alichelewa kuzaa.
Lakini si unajua kuna wengine wakubwa kina Robi, kina Auntie Nani, si unawajua? Si unawajua? Kina Auntie Nyamburi, kina Auntie Robi. Yule auntie yangu mwingine alikufa huko kwa Nyamboha.
Okay. Yes. So nobody's here right now. I see one house.
My aunt is coming from Nairobi. Yes, Mokoroto sas.
Okay. Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya.
Yeah.
It's a clean city that we went, I and brother and Dave Jr. I think Dave Jr. will be here maybe some few minutes.
He's already called me, but I was not around with my mobile phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. So this is the sun right here?
Yes.
Okay. Mbona huko kujafunga ama kuna mtu anaishi munda? Oh. Okay. They came from the city. So this is the first wife for Bradagi's grandpa or grandfather. So let's take you to third wife.
Yeah, we can take them to a place where, because we have 3 families and we are constructing. We have already constructed a toilet. We have already put the slab, but what we have not done it's to build up.
Like setting of the blocks.
Setting. Yeah, but we are going to use polythene paper to close on it so that they can be used.
Maybe somebody watch these videos.
Yes.
We have already maybe setting the toilet like concrete on the third wife. Did you have the blocks or bricks?
No, but we are going to do it like local way to finish this, and then we'll be able now to manage it from there.
As long as bro I have my motorbike, we can maneuver around, you know. Taking you to border town, Nyabansi, don't worry.
Okay.
Yes. May I just treat you the way it is. Anyway guys, in our village here, most of our parents, they are polygamous. You wanna marry many wives? So you know,
we can pass here.
Okay.
Yeah, let's pass here, guys.
Okay. Guys, that being said, according to African traditional, most of the women and men, probably men, they were other polygamy, other monopolygamy, you know. You can marry 3 wives, 4, even other family have 10 wives.
Oh my God, avocado.
It's fall down?
Fall down from up.
I think it's ready.
But you know the problem is they are fall down like this.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. So this is avocado tree.
Remetopa.
This is how it's looking inside.
It's don't try.
Yeah.
So I have the music because when you go that way I don't write copyright. I have banana right here.
Yeah.
Guys, we need your prayers on today's videos, and it take only I think 5 to 6 days.
Regina, punguza sauti kidogo. Punguza sauti kidogo.
Manyama. Buyore. Hey, Bahamba, hello.
Hello. So this is the work that we are doing here. We have already bought this polythene paper. This one here. You have seen this. So we'll be able to cover it outside. So this is what I was telling you. Yeah.
Oh my God. So we do it in local way. Wow.
Yeah, so this is the work that is going on. Hello, baby. You have seen?
Yes. That. Mutuki.
Na wata inaitwa mutuki hiyo. Chimbering. And this one is pakuaring.
Pakuaring. Like to scoop.
To pakua, to pakua.
Pakua.
That's what it's for, chimbering.
Okay. Guys, in our village here, no machine. We normally use manpower. You see by yourself.
We don't have a machine.
Yes.
We use power.
Use power.
Provoke.
Maybe somebody watching my videos and he doesn't know you. Just introduce yourself.
Hey, I'm Chris.
Chris who?
Christopher.
Oh, he doesn't have one name.
How comes you don't have one name? I have my one name. I'm Christopher Robbie.
Okay, Robbie is your local name.
Not my local, my surname.
Your surname.
Very
It's a
good.
local name.
Point of correction.
Yeah, even me have the local name, Muita. Muita. We have Marwa, we have Chacha, we have Boke. Boke means honey. Marwa means alcohol or liquor, you know. Muita means like you are calling somebody. Muita! I'm calling you, like that's means of the local names. And Robbie means what?
Robbie means, yeah, Lord, Robbie, they used to use it first born of girls. Once you get born to a baby girl,
Firstborn?
it's supposed to be called Robbie, Boke, or Gati. Yeah.
Even guys, we have Wambura. Wambura means rain. When maybe your wife gets bath during rain season alongside the road, we call Wambura. When maybe your wife went to the hospital and unfortunately get bath alongside the road, we call Wanchera. Okay.
Mr. Angura.
Yes. Me, I'm Mr. Hello Baby right now at this moment on my YouTube channel, Mr. Hello Baby.
Mr. Baby.
Or HBO.
HBO. Good. I will search for you.
Okay. If you have a phone, search me. You'll see my videos. Mr. Hello Baby. Hello Baby official.
What does it mean, by the way, by that name? What does it mean?
That's my YouTube channel.
What does it mean?
Hello
The
Baby.
meaning,
You know,
what it means.
baby is a small baby, a newborn baby. Hello, just like you are calling someone or receiving the call. Hello. Hello.
And
How are you, baby?
Mister? You are a mister? You are a
No,
baby?
no, no, no.
You Mr. Hello.
I'm Hello Baby official on YouTube channel.
Oh, Hello Baby, not Mr. Hello Baby.
If you have a phone, you watch yourself today. Alright, my head.
Yeah.
Also, now so kya gotore mo kor utikoma. Eh? That's how the kind of greeting.
Okay, Hello Baby. Maybe you're gonna show them there.
Okay, I'm telling him the toilet starts from here, going up to that way. Okay, let's go, bro. There's sometimes I say Latin language, but I know.
Same time, bananas, it's a lot in the
Yes.
village. Yeah.
Most of maybe Latin, maybe language found in Argentina, Britain. Okay. So, brother, you can film, bro. Take. Hey, bro.
So, yeah, there is cow. It's here grazing. Yeah. This is the cow, guys. Yeah. So this home belongs to the third wife here. This home, and this was my grandfather's house. Wow, Simba is just chilling down here, and yeah. So this is how things goes. Hey, uhure auntie. This is my auntie. She's washing the clothes. Mzee Nyandoro. Karibu sana.
Hata wewe karibu.
Hiyo ndio hiyo ulipokuwa nayo hapo. Auntie. Karibu auntie. So this is my auntie is here. Mama Jaco, vimena turarerera. This is the tomato. Okay, this is the fillets, guys. You know, most of the time I'm showing you the fillets, the village. Yeah, tikavai correto. Tikavareta. Auntie, karibu sana. Siko hana tori. Yeah. So the condition of everything is like that. Yeah, so that it is. Uncle, Karibu sana. Guys, this is my uncle. She traveled all the way from Kehancha. Yeah, I know you have seen my videos. I was there just showing you how Africa looking like. Karibu uncle.
Yeah.
Guys, today's video is so emotional, but kindly please support us. We need more support from you, our good subscribers, and through your support we can be able to manage this, because there's a lot of things that we have to do it on the same time here in the village. Guys, support us guys, and pray for us also, because your prayers will help us, will give us energy, and your prayers guys will make us to be strong people. Yeah, so this is the borehole. This is Johnny. He's the guy who was supporting my grandfather. He was taking my grandfather in the hospital. Like, this is the place where
I'm fetching water.
You're fetching water. Okay, Johnny.
Yes.
And there is no water inside.
Water.
There is no water inside, Johnny. You have to go to fetch there at my home there. You know, my borehole, it's having a lot of water. If it's dry season like right now, because there is a lot of sun, that borehole always there is a lot of water inside. So thank you God for giving me water, and that water is helping entire village guys. Yeah, so that's how we are doing things on this morning, on this moment here. Yeah, so Hero baby.
Yes. All right, guys. So we shall continue from here. This is the Napier grass right now here. And for meanwhile, I will show you. Wow. It's time to leave. Something else. Oh my God. Bra, kids are grazing there. Thank you. You have the car right here. So guys, we're fully outside, and it's happened, but I keep in touch to help Brother Dagi on this situation, guys, you know. Wow. This is a situation that happened right now. So that being said earlier, it's not a normal day, you know. If you're watching this video, please guys, send us some prayers, you know. Send us some prayers, guys, on this situation. So we're heading to Nyabohanse after this moment. Wow. Wow. You know guys, I didn't expect that we were going to Nyabohanse. So I was maneuvering around my home to pass, I came to pass condolences to my brother Dagi here. But probably he told me, let's go to Nyabohanse. Wow, this brother Dagi right here. We're heading to Nyabohanse, alright? Wow. Right now, guys, we are heading to Nyabohanse. Wow. These are East Africa, connect the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. I have my baby right now here. we keep going, you know. Wow, man. Hey. I see another car right here. The one here. Let's go. We keep rolling this amazing view, amazing channel to the end. Let's go. This is a Napier grass here. Wow. Wow, that's a quarry right there. That's a quarry where the mine are digging the muram and selling for the people. Hey, people are riding bicycles. Wow. Try to imagine of a beautiful house inside here. Man, people are coming from Nairobi, Scania, easy. Wow, this upcoming restaurant right here. I'm telling you, this one here. See guys, people are coming from Nairobi. Hey, that's the second bus. Oh, heading straight. Wait. Wow. There's another truck right here. Let's go. Yeah, she. What up, hungry people get no manch. Yeah. Alright, this is my baby here, and I found one of our good friend who washing my bike and also the Virginia's car right here. Say hello.
Babu.
Hey.
Ambie ba.
Fresh kabisa. You're washing the Virginia's car. Right here is the baby for the Virginia's car. Oh my god. I'm telling you something else. This is the baby right here. Wow. Oh, torake pangusa ndani eh. You see guys, this is a comfortable car. Guys, go and watch the Virginia's videos. You see this car, his dream car, and the speaker was JBL. Hey, if I found a radio of JBL, it means like louder music. Hey. Wow, this is well service here. You know, you have lights here. Yes. Wow. I'm telling you. So, unajua brother Dagi amepoteza babu yake.
Dagira.
So guys, I'm telling him, did you know brother Dagi, he lost his grandpa. So this kind of videos, it's a sad video, eh? Yeah. Yeah, he was too old. But at the moment you lost your family member, one of the family, it's so sad, so sad, so sad, so sad. Yeah, guys, we feel so sad, but we stay strong, man. We stay strong. Support us on prayers, guys. Just pass prayers, not support. Yeah, in other way, you want to support prayers, guys, to Brother Agi's family. You know, he was my neighbor, and then a day like this, I didn't expect this kind of situation. But when God says yes, nobody can say no. You know, wow. But unfortunately, he was too old. But it's by God's grace, man. It's by God's grace, you know. God, he was the one who made, like, create human being, and God, he was the one who take human being, you know, like take to the next, maybe to the next world. Okay.
Oh.
Ini kihe?
Kihinyi.
Kita kuhinya ken.
Oh.
Kihinya.
Kena
Wow, guys. So I don't want to sit too much inside here because the guy's like he's washing this car. Wow. wow. Okay, guys. Oh, we have the nail here, and to maybe this tire. Have a sharp nail, guys, right here. So better throw away. Go there. Anyway, guys, after these videos, let me know what you think about on today's videos. Actually, on the other side, it's a national school by the name Nyabohanse. We are in Nyabohanse, and that school named after the late second president, Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi. Moi. Show you guys. We have another crown here. Actually, this is my dream car. Wow. In future, a crown car is my dream car. I'm telling you guys. Although it's need a lot of fuel, like yeah. So maybe in future to be my dream car. Right now here we have water. Wow. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. We shall meet on the next video. Well, guys, I'm back home, and after from Nyabohanse. So actually, guys, there's one guy who cutting trees here. Wow. So it's my brother's trees, and then my mama tried to sold them, so to get money to buy fertilizer and put for my brother's maize. Guys, imagine we have water here. Oh, that's my dog. You good? You good? People ask me on my yesterday video, how was Bruno? I'm telling you, Bruno is doing good. Look. Come this way. Come, we pray here. Kneel down, Bruno. Kneel down. Kneel down. Down. Bruno. Say hello. Say hello, Bruno. Say hello. Hey, Bruno, to the world. Bruno, to the world. Tara tiribira muito. Tara tu endut. Afio ba hesi. Tage birikira kwanso ke bahina ramena manjin gutunandut. As my brother, I'm telling him to take the dog inside or Bruno. So I wanna fetch water here. It's so hot. Imagine a day like this, man. Could I go to my neighbors fetching water? Sometimes it's chaos and problem. But God opened the door. We get water. Even I can't imagine. But it's by God's grace. It's by God's grace. So I need to fetch water. Right now here, so I want to bet betting, guys. So I'm trying to look like when I get 400 bricks, 3 bags of cement, steel bar, like not like steel bar, 5 of them, you know, the 10 and the 12 2 pieces, the 10 3 pieces, and also man labor and timber. I'll cover this borehole right now here because it's not okay. So my brother will be my cameraman. Maybe you can help me to even man. You know that no. You see guys how we cover, because this borehole it's under risk, and I'm trying to put these trees here maybe to prevent, but it's not okay. And the good thing about 400 bricks, we'll build around from the second stairs, like we put the legs from down where the muram start. Muram, like 2 lines, 1 line other side, outer one, have maybe here 1 line for bricks, another 1 line here, so the borehole will be remaining strong. Wow. Anyway guys, let me fetch water for bed until do bedtime. Samba oh guys, yeah man, it's not okay this borehole. And I feel even my sister, she can't come here to fetch, also my brother and even my mom, So right now guys, I'm rinsing the basin and also this bucket here. Guys, soon I want to share with you when water is purely clean. That is water. It's good to have water and make work easier. There is a day guys, I will start the project of making bricks alone at my home here, because I look for the people who need money and then make bricks here, man. You will see one day, because right now there's chaos and problem going through my village because people feel jealous what I'm doing to my family, but all in well, no time with haters, no time with haters around my village. Imagine, they are part of my village. People feel so bad what I'm doing. What I'm doing, Wow. So I want to fetch water, and sometimes my mom could use that water maybe to bathe. Yankee. Guys, this is your son, hello baby, your brother, hello baby, outside here, chasing dream. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe guys. I'm share with you my full love from Africa here, Nyabanseville to the world, and this is what I'm doing here. Imagine all your supporters that you support me watching my videos. At the end of the month, I dig the borehole, man. I'm the guy who try to chase the dream. This month I do this, maybe next month you see another different. You wait guys, keep watching my video every day, share my videos to your family, and remember, I'm road to 7K subscribers guys, soon. Right now I'm remaining with almost 300 subscribers. 300, I'm there. Imagine guys. Let's get 300 people subscribed quick and fast. I need a subscription guys, quick and fast. If I get 30 people, share my videos to 100 people, that's almost 3. Let me say maybe 50 people. You know, 100 people to 300 people, it's almost 3,000. If you wish, guys, do so. When I found one family, we have like 5 people. Subscribe. In our village, no manpower to pump water from the ground. We normally use manpower, no machine here. Woo. So let me put this water here. Kwa kivuli. Watu wangu si mnaona. Hero baby anahamisha maji. Anaweka kwa kivuli. Sasa mnaonaje? Kuna maji hapa. Guys, I'm using Swahili words. How do you see? We have water here. Even my cousin came to fetch water. You know. Around my home, I have a lot of cousins here and there. We have the smaller, the kids, elder people, like young people. Wow. So I supposed to say, guys, hey, you had a cock, man. Blessing all the time. There's a guy like cutting these trees here, and I need by March to start cutting them trees down, all of them down. In future, the perimeter will be running here. You know, we need the security. Not this barbed wire. This is for our neighbor who bought the land here. You know, so, and he made a mistake to put this wire here, like fenced. They're supposed to be on other side. This is my trees here, to be on these trees on other side. But he made a mistake. So in the future, when I'm building, maybe in future, not now, in future, when I'm building the perimeter wall, we run from here up to that way. So this wall will be inside here, toilet. Even at night, you can get outside. Wow, people want to build semi-permanent or muddy house. So this is the first step here, cutting like the frames of the house. That one that you see here. Wow. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. And right now, it's time to end my video. But remember, it's not a normal vlog. These are sad videos I do ever. You know, have the cock right now here. Once more, when I'm leaving home, you bring blessing. Blessing, man. And right now, let me end my video. Guys, we shall meet on the next video. So I wanna say bye-bye.